Now, this is the third time you have been fielded to another opportunity to serve the Brijvasis of Mathura. You truly are Krishna's Gopi. It seems Krishna Bhagwan is extremely happy and with your devotion and your service to the people of Mathura, ma'am. How confident are you of winning the third time?
Definitely we are all winning, 100% sure, because of the work what I have contributed in my constituency. With the help of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he is doing for the entire country. So it's my small place, constituency, Mathura, Lord Krishna's place, birthplace. So it's my pleasure and it's my great honor that I am given to do some work here for the Brajvasis. So I am extremely happy. I am doing it very sincerely, very dedicatedly. So let's see.
Is that why, Himaji, you have made Vrindavan your home? You spend so much time here.
Yeah, I made it because the first term I was staying in a hotel all the time. Though the hotel was good, the people were excellent,
Right.
service was nice, but still the home is a home, you know.
Right.
So I needed. So my family members said, okay, now make it here, one house. So to have a house in Vrindavan is a big thing,
blessing.
you know. Yeah, blessing it is. Because many people from the world, they all come here to have one small room or some small छोटा flat मुझे मिल गया तो मैं बस खुश हो जाऊंगे ऐसा बोलते हैं तो मेरा घर ही बन गया. It's a blessing of Lord Krishna. He has made this house for me.
That's true. And what has been some of your biggest contributions to your constituency in the last decade?
See, in the first term I was not knowing much, but the people used to come here for making me do some roads, nala, pani, light, the basic requirement which was not given to them. So sad it was. So all those I was trying to give, but then I realized so many things are necessary for the people of this place which they are not getting it. So as Hamare Modi ji started giving so many projects he was coming out with for the people, for rural people, you know, all kind of thing. So it became very much easier for me to communicate them and then say that my BJP workers are all there. They are also part of it. They go and tell the people, ये सब facilities आपको मिल रहा है. Then that's the time I started taking care of the railway station and all. It was so horrible, you know. When you go to the railway station, you will feel you are in some 1930s. उस ज़माने में pre-historic जैसा एक जगह ऐसा गंदा सा. I mean, जिसको कोई किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था इसको कुछ करना चाहिए. I mean, that was the mindset, you know. People चलता है. I said no, इसको कुछ तो करो, अभी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Then I went to Piyush ji, was the railway minister at that time. So he immediately charged and then got lot of things done. Naturally, with the help of government only, I can do anything. Maybe I have a lot of desire to do things.
But that was your vision as well.
Yeah, that is a vision one should have. You just become a MP. Many people want to become MP because it's a name. I am the MP. But what are you doing for the people? That is more important because we have to do something for them. So railway station ka, then flyovers was needed. So you see all the roads everywhere, it is very fine. Maybe few where idhar udhar hoga, but basically our Mathura has got a proper nice roads everywhere. Now this time I am going everywhere for campaigning. I am feeling very happy. Yesterday I was in Barsana, so from NH2 to Barsana there is a big flyover which I got it made.
Oh, how lovely.
That time in the railway track we have to wait for hours. ऐसे ये ऐसा क्यों है? First time I was नहीं यहाँ पे बनाना है कोई ऐसे बनाओ immediately. If I have the right to make it happen, why not?
And the first time also you're just easing into the whole process.
So I got into it, got it done. Now and many other things also I did because whatever projects I took it to योगी जी ऐसे मुझे ये करना है. This is supposed to be संतों की जगह है वृंदावन. So many sons are there. So many sons lived and gone in praise of Lord Krishna. They have written such beautiful poetries and kavitas which I dance. So as a dancer I know all that. So that is the connection, you know. ऐसे मैं करती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे उनका कोई भी respect नहीं, मान नहीं, कुछ नहीं, किसी को तो कुछ करिए आप. I want a संत ग्रह, संतों के लिए. I mean lot of things. that is the culture of Braj, na?
And how was his reaction? Was he
was
receptive
immediately
to,
he was wondering
you know,
कि कितना then he told me most of the MPs come for various other things, but your requirement is so interesting. I love it very much. So he created Braj Tirtha Vikas Parishad.
Speaking of Rozgar, that is, you know, the biggest criticism that the opposition has, or an angst against the BJP about
What did they do?
berozgari, unemployment.
They can't talk anything against us because they have not done anything. और रोजगार के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया था? Something, any substantial thing, did they do it? Which we can see and say, yeah, we want to follow that role model. ऐसा तो नहीं है. तो कि India, after the independence, nobody bothered to do anything much. Now at least we are doing something. So which people are appreciating it. We are very happy about what our Prime Minister is doing.
You know, Ram Lalla's parikrama was, Ram Lalla's Pran Pratishtha, in fact, was a groundbreaking milestone. It was a fulfillment of a billion dreams and, you know, so many desires and wishes. I wanted to ask you, how big a factor has that been for the country and also in these elections?
It is one of the biggest thing, I'll say.
And why do you say that? If you could kindly elaborate.
People were waiting for that, wanting that, because for ages that Ram Lalla was kept in one small temple, and for that how much people died, how many people have sacrificed their life in that battle just few years back. So that why did they do it? Because they wanted Ram Lalla. Na? Ayodhya is a place, Ram ka janam wahan pe hua. And some years back, if you say where is Ayodhya, I don't think anybody knew kahan Ayodhya kidhar hai. Ayodhya wo kasba hai. They were saying ye chota sa kasba hai, wo Ayodhya hai. Arey, like Mathura is Lord Krishna's birthplace, so we celebrate this place. Like that Ram Lalla का कुछ भी नहीं था, तो अभी हमारे मोदी जी ने इसको निकाल के लाकर he is what was not done in 500 years time, he has done it in this 10 years time. 10 years में उन्होंने बनाया, तो आज whole India is so happy, they have tears in their eyes when they talk about Ram.
But yet many didn't attend the Pran Pratishtha ceremony.
That is विपक्ष के लोगों का, I'm sure there are many people who are Ram Bhakt. वो बेचारा डर के मारे नहीं गया होगा अपने लीडरों से. The leader is the one who creates the problem. Na?
Now, apart from this, you're from Tamil Nadu. Now, do you think that the people there would look beyond the Dravidian style of politics?
Absolutely, they are all very much wanting BJP to come. I've seen so many thousands of people I meet. I went to Tanjore last year.
Oh, how was that?
Very beautiful, lovely, and the way they kept the temple, and it's amazing to see Bragadishwara temple at Tanjore. And I went to Trichy also, that's my birthplace, so I wanted to see how it is. So it is very nice, I liked it. So Panka, jitna bhi South Indians and the Brahmins, they are all very fond of Modi ji.
And you have a very young, enthused Mr. Annamalai, who is BJP's prize fighter. He's also trying very hard to...
I am sure he will win, and he should win this time.
And why do you say that? Have you...
Because when you were in Tamil Nadu to speak, na, and contradict the Dravidians, what they are doing for the Tamil Nadu. I am sure people are wanting Modi ji and Modi ji's contribution, because they also want to accept and enjoy the whole glory.
Sure. And you think that could change in this election? The BJP's vote share could increase, or they could make inroads in Tamil Nadu?
They will. May not be in a big way, but next time definitely 100%. Slowly it is coming in.
Sure.
बहुत ज़रूरी है ये.
Hima ji, you're such a acclaimed and absolutely talented Bharatanatyam dancer. You know, it's a dance form that originates from the temples in Tamil Nadu, and then you have leaders there criticizing Sanatana Dharma, likening it to diseases and all sorts of things, saying it's against social justice. What do you make of such kind of statements?
See, they have to read and study what is Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana Dharma is including everybody. सबको साथ में ले जाना, सबका साथ सबका विकास जो बोल रहे हैं, same thing, that is it. तो ये दूसरा धर्म वालों को हम इसको दुत्कारना, उसके खराब बोलना ऐसा है ही नहीं. We accept, we don't criticize others. So you also don't behave like that. That's all.
But yet you have these leaders.
Yeah, you are Sanatana. You should be proud of it, na? Why you should feel shy about it? I am a Hindu. I am a Brahmin. बोलने का डर किस बात का? बोलो ना. You are born in this place, so accept it.
They say
whatever
it's
you are.
against social justice and equality.
Social justice, yeah.
And these are leaders from Tamil Nadu
Yeah.
who have made these statements.
And what they are doing
They're
is
very critical of Sanatan
very
Dharma.
sad. Very sad what it is now today.
No, the Supreme
Tamil
Court
Nadu.
has taken cognizance. In
Yes.
fact, they had come down very heavily on those leaders who had made such statements.
Very bad comments, no?
So
Very sad. To that extent, they have gone down.
And how do you feel about this elections? Do you think the BJP will win 70 plus seats in Uttar Pradesh this time?
They are saying 80. 80 ka 80. So that is the target, I'm sure, because Yogi ji has done very nice work here. उन्होंने सारा भूख, भ्रष्टाचार, डर, इन सबको तो हटाया.
Hooliganism. That is something that
Yes.
everyone here
Yeah.
speaks to me
They
or
are
talks
very
to me.
secured, they feel happy. All the women are happy, they are very comfortable today. That is because of Yogi ji.
How are you urging first time voters or women to come out and, cast their vote, speak their mind?
Yeah, we are telling in every meeting, we are expressing it. That's what we are, then some of my bites also we are going to give. So all this will definitely will affect all the women. And I met a lot of Muslim women also. They are all very fond of me here. So everybody is there. They are quite aware of it. And for the youngsters, the young voters, now tomorrow my Aisha and Hannah both are coming. They will be little
lovely.
bit campaign for me. So it's very sweet. I mean, they'll be meeting all the youngsters, young
Yes.
people.
So how do you feel when, the family comes with you?
Yeah,
And
nice. I feel good. At least the work is divided, you know.
yes, that's true.
Thoda tum dekh lo. But they will come for 1 or 2 days because of children, babies are small.
Yes.
So they have to go back.
I also know, apart from all these innumerable talents, you are also a lovely singer. You sing so, it's so melodious to hear you.
Yeah,
I
so
heard
this-
your bhajan in Vrindavan, Himaji. As we wrap up this, and before I ask you to do that, just one quick question. What would your advice be to first time voters, especially the youth, if you would have that one message to...
Message is that they should come, they should enjoy the power they are getting to vote. Each one's vote is so important. एक vote इतना मतदान बहुत बहुमूल्य है. They have to understand the value of it, value of themselves. उनका एक vote can change so much, you know. And with that feeling they should vote, and then for whom they are voting they should understand, and then why they are doing it. And it is important, why it is important for all the youth to join this and go and vote. Vote करके चुप बैठने का नहीं. Then see for which party you gave, what they are doing, what are they doing for the public, what are they doing for you. They have to be part of it. Then like what Modi ji says, nation building में, they have to be part of it.
Because he
you
says
can give your suggestion. What I don't like this, I like this. Very healthy. This thing should be there. Discussions should be there, and they should be part of it.
That's true. So as we wrap up, just 2 lines. Himaji, I have to hear this from you.
My God.
It will be wonderful. We are in Mathura Vrindavan. This is such a beautiful space. You've very graciously invited us today, and it's been wonderful chatting with you. Would love to hear something.
सुसज्जित सुवासित सुपूजित सुपावन यह पुण्य भूमि ये माटी ये चंदन ये कहती है यमुना की श्यामल तरंगे यहाँ कण कण बसते यहाँ राधा मोहन राधा मोहन राधा मोहन राधा मोहन चल मन वृंदावन चल मन वृंदावन.
How beautiful. How lovely. It's been an absolute pleasure speaking to you, Himaji,
Thank you.
and our best wishes. Thank you for speaking to CNN News 18.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.